Hello everybody, my name is Jack and welcome back to my channel. Today I will play some Zombs Royale. So without further ado, before I start this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And here we go. Man, I wish this didn't take like 25 years for this to load. Yeah, I'll be really happy. 2 hours later. You know what, I'm just gonna pause this until this one is done. I've been here for like 20 minutes and it's still not done. I can't believe it. Yo, come on, man. You have to be done already, mate. Come on. Hold up. What is this doing? Okay. I'm gonna close all these tabs, I guess. If you hear my mom talking in the background, don't worry about it. Oh boy. Brand new tab, dog. Wait. Go back. Just put up another one. How is this even doing this? How is this even doing this? I'm gonna do a match. A match or two. This is my first episode. This is legit 1 minute. Whoa. New weapon assault Scar? Season 5 live. There's a new battle pass, okay. Why am I a guest? Am I not signed in? Let's log into Google. Let's go to this account. Like always, FG _ Jack. Save. Save. Okay, good. Okay, sure. Fine, FG Jack. Thank you very much. Let's do a solo. See what I do. Wow, in my second account I had like so much good stuff. Never mind. I guess not. Why I can't move anymore? Oh, okay. Let's look at the map. Where do we want to go? Let's go right here. And screw it, let's just jump right here. Who gives two thumbs? If I can just get this real quick. If I die real quick, I'm sorry. What just happened? Yeah. What did I just open this? I just had. I can't believe I survived that. Wow, the shield potion is very handy. Hurry! Oh no! Maybe I wasn't even ready. Some dumb shit just popped up. Let's play again. What a nice start in the beginning of my first time playing this game. Nice start, guys. Ha ha ha. Dead. Yeah, you better die, dog. Alright. This time, let's land all the way over, like over here, dog. I think this game copied Fortnite. For reals. Oh my god. We're almost there. Let's try to get this done. 84 people left. 82 people left. 80 people left. 79 people left. 70. Okay, a lot of people are dying this time. Oh wow. Jump. Oh, there's good stuff over here actually. I'm gonna be dipping though. Oh yes, finally fucking gun. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who's here? We're about to get lasered by me. I better start dipping because. Oh boy. Is this? I have enough time, dog. There's like a crate in there. I'm gonna go in there. Ooh, nice. Ah, this is great. Never mind. Oh yeah. Let's have the sniper. Some people. Oh, shotty, let's freaking go. Oh boy. This is where I die in this situation. Screw all the guns. I need to get to the safe zone as fast as I can. Because legit, the storm is legit right there. And I'm about to die because I'm taking damage now. This is a second bad start. Ow. Ow. But thank God the storm is right there. Thank God oh shit! What? Bro, this game is 20th place. Not that bad for, a beginner. Let's actually. After we're gonna do a duo, but we have 0 this. If we could get this, and this is all we could get. But I can get remember from before this. But for some reason I can't. There's nothing here. Red. See this? I could tweet. Subscribe. Basically, there you go. 2 rounds, here it goes. So, that's a Kit Kat in my system. I guess I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.